Back viewers, now Prime Minister Modi has given a call for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, and our forces are leaving no stone unturned to ensure that India is self-sufficient and self-reliant. My colleague Tejinder gets us the special report from Ramgarh sector along the international borders. Let's take a look.
Lockdown or no lockdown, life is always tough at the international border when you have a neighbor like Pakistan who is always looking for an opportunity to send in infiltrators into the Indian side. The border security force, the border praharis of the border security force personnel, they are guarding this border 24/7, and you can see that right now we are at the international border in the Ramgarh sector, and you can see life is not always that easy. We have to cross this riverine to go to the other side. Though we are ahead of the border fence, you can see, if my video journalist Sarjeevan could show you, this is the riverine, and this riverine gets flooded every now and then, it keeps on changing its course. Every time whenever there is a flood in this riverine, life becomes really tough for the border security force personnel. And on the other hand, you have Pakistan, which is always looking for an opportunity to target youth, and that is the reason you can see that the border security force, they have made certain modification in this tractor. This is a bulletproof casing that has been done on the tractor so as to cross this riverine. This is the modification that has been done by the border security force here on the Ramgarh sector, and you can see, if my video journalist Sarjeevan could follow me, we'll try to climb up here. We'll show you that this tractor has been specially modified by the border security force with these bulletproof casing. Even the glass is so thick that a bullet cannot pierce it. So in this scorching heat right now, the temperature outside must be above 42 degrees centigrade. The border security force personnel, they are guarding the border 24/7, making it sure that any nefarious design of the enemy is foiled. You can see that we'll be crossing this riverine from this with the help of this tractor, but this is because of the border security force, the BSF personnel, that our border is safe. There are inputs that Pakistan wants to vitiate peace, and that is the reason that Pakistan wants to send in terrorists into the Indian side. But because of the heightened vigil and the robust anti-infiltration grid put in place by the border security force, the nefarious designs of Pakistan are always being foiled. This is a specially modified tractor by the border security force just to make sure that the driver of this tractor is safe from the Pakistani firing. Right now we are crossing this Basanta river on the international border, and you see that this tractor is the only way to save the soldier, the driver inside from the Pakistan. You can see that most of the time this river gets flooded, and it's a very bumpy ride, and so as to mark the path, they have made some markings here so as to ensure that they are driving on a safe path. This is the situation on the international border, where the border security force is guarding 24/7. Prime Minister Narendra Modi made an appeal to the countrymen to be vocal about local. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that people should be self-reliant. At the international border, the BSF also thought about their contribution, what they can contribute towards the Prime Minister's appeal of being vocal about local and about the self-reliance. You can see that this is on the international border and nothing much can be done. So the BSF devised a strategy, and they decided that they will reclaim this land which was occupied by a river here, Basanta river, and you can see that these thick sarkandas also occupied this vast patch of land. This is around 4 square kilometer land which has been reclaimed by the BSF from this thick sarkanda, from the riverine. This area is very fertile, and the BSF now wants it to be cultivated by the local farmers. The BSF's this contribution towards being self-reliant is a step towards what Prime Minister Narendra Modi said about being vocal about local. So the commanding officer here, Mr. S.S. Sirohi, is with us to give us details about this operation which the BSF has been carrying out to ensure that this vast stretch of land which is just next to the international border, facing a notorious Pakistani post, is reclaimed. Sir, when we came here a couple of weeks ago, we saw this entire place was occupied by this thick sarkanda. So how difficult this task was to reclaim this land from this thick sarkanda so as to make it cultivable, and how do you see your contribution to Prime Minister's appeal of self-reliance, sir?
Actually, when we took over this place, we realized that this area of around 2 km by 2 km, that is approximately 4 square kilometer, was lying unused, and it was a lot of thick sarkanda had grown up, and despite being fertile, it was not being used for any cultivation. Now, since after outbreak of this coronavirus, our worthy Prime Minister, when he gave an appeal of self-reliance, I also thought that how I could contribute my bit in pursuit of this appeal. So what I have done, I have requested my higher authorities, and they were kind enough to provide me some more tractors, and we are clearing this land of thick sarkanda and making it cultivable. Now my appeal to the locals would be, and as well as to the civil administration, that if they could allot this land to the local farmers and the same land could be cultivated, then it will not only add to the prosperity of the locals, but it will also in turn make us more self-reliant, and the prosperity of the area will further boost up.
Sir, this place is just next to the international border. Rather, this is on the international border. We are being overlooked by several Pakistani posts. So what type of challenge did you face? Because this entire area was under thick vegetation, thick sarkandas, and you have almost now cleared it. So what type of challenge did you face, sir?
Actually, initially this sarkanda, this area, to my best of my knowledge, has not been touched even for last 10 years. So it was a huge challenge to clear the sarkanda, especially since it was very, very thick. The roots were very deep inside, but we somehow, using dozers, tractors, and with support of my higher authorities, we could clear this.
On the international border, the BSF is working 24/7 to ensure that all the nefarious designs of Pakistan are foiled. Right now we are in the Ramgarh sector on the international border, and my video journalist Sarjeevan could show you this is a 4 square kilometer stretch on the international border which is being cleared by the border security force. The border security force is removing the sarkandas from this area, and also they are reclaiming this land from the sarkanda and the riverine so as to hand it over to the farmers. The BSF wants the farmers to cultivate this land so that the farmers of this area could benefit from this land. So this land is being cultivated by the local residents. So the BSF right now is clearing all the sarkandas so as to ensure that this land becomes fit for cultivation. This is on the international border, and just 500 meters away from this place is notorious post of Pakistan, which always continues to violate the ceasefire, which always continues to target our border security force. Apart from fighting the enemy on the international border, giving it a befitting response whenever it violates the ceasefire, BSF is also helping the local residents in this time of COVID-19, when the entire world is fighting the coronavirus pandemic. The BSF is not only guarding the frontiers, guarding the border 24/7, but also ensuring that the local residents could earn something, to help them earn something for their livelihood. The BSF right now is guarding this place. We can see that several of the BSF Jawans, they are on guard to ensure to give a befitting response to any aggression from the Pakistani side. You can see that entire place is being guarded by the border security force.